In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a GoDaddy domain to your Shopify store using the most straightforward method available, Shopify's automated connection feature. This is by far the easiest way to ensure that everything is set up correctly and efficiently, so let's dive right in. First, you'll need to be in your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, you're going to navigate to the Settings menu and then find and click on Domains. This section is where you can manage all things domain-related, and it's here that you'll start the process of connecting your GoDaddy domain to your shop. Once you're on this page, look for the option that says Connect Existing Domain and give that a click. Next, you'll see a prompt asking you to enter your domain name. Now, here's an important tip. Make sure you type in your domain without the do at the beginning, just like you would usually see in the address bar, for example, yourdomain.com. After entering your domain name, go ahead and click on the Next button. You'll now see an option to connect your domain automatically. This feature is made possible through a special integration that Shopify has with GoDaddy, allowing Shopify to take care of all the configuration for you. Click on Connect Automatically to proceed. At this stage, Shopify will request that you log in to your GoDaddy account. This is a necessary step to approve the automatic changes to your domain's DNS settings. If you're not already signed into GoDaddy, have your login credentials handy so you can authorize these adjustments quickly. Once you've signed in and approved the request, Shopify will take care of setting up all the necessary DNS records, including the A record and C name, among others. Now, even though this is a highly automated process, there's still a waiting period you'll need to be aware of. DNS changes don't happen instantaneously, and it can take up to 48 hours for the new settings to fully propagate across the internet. During this time, you may not see your domain pointing to your Shopify store immediately, and that's completely normal. Patience is key here, so give it some time and check back later. And there you have it. By using Shopify's built-in automatic connection tool, you've taken a big step towards getting your online store ready to launch. This hassle-free method saves you from having to dive deep into DNS settings, making your life a whole lot easier. If you follow these instructions closely, you'll have your GoDaddy domain up and running with Shopify in no time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for connecting your domain.